Hey everybody, Dave here from Practicon with another Practicon product spotlight. Today we're going to be talking about the Gleco Trap. We're going to go over some troubleshooting ideas, plus some ways you can keep your trap clean and keep it running properly throughout its lifetime. Let's head to the operatory and get started. So we're here in the operatory and we're taking a look at the Gleco Trap. Now, correct installation has the middle drain going to the wall waste as well as the sink drain coming down into the 45. You can't reverse these because if you do, it could cause a backup into the sink itself. Also, make sure the fittings connecting the drain and the wall waste are fitting tightly and the correct gaskets are being used to avoid leaks. Make sure that the gasket inside the trap housing is correctly lubricated and is installed correctly. And finally, it's always a good idea to put a little bit of Vaseline around the rim of the bottle itself. It helps lubricate the bottle against the gasket and keeps the gasket from twisting during installation. We recommend changing the gasket out about every 6 bottle changes. For more information about the Gleco Trap and other great products, please give me a call at 252-752-5183 and my personal extension is 3035. Or you can email me at dbrown@practicon.com. Also, feel free to go to our website at practicon.com to take a look at all of our great products. This has been the Practicon Product Spotlight. I'm David Brown. Thanks for watching.